Faith beyond divisions, the Quranic call to sincere submission. When God prescribed the submission of our will to Him, the true essence of the Quranic path, which Muslims today call Islam, His purpose was not to create a new religion, but to unite all God-fearing people under one truth. Regardless of the names we adopt or the labels we carry, true believers share one fundamental trait. We submit our will to God. Anyone who sincerely worships God will agree that submitting to His will is essential. However, not all will embrace the Arabic term Islam, as it can become a point of division rather than unity. The focus should be on the act of submission itself, not on the language or label that may separate believers. The Quran clarifies that sincere submission defines a believer, not affiliation with a specific sect or tradition. Sadly, today's religions have splintered into divisions that directly contradict God's command for unity. These man-made sects have obscured divine understanding and plunged humanity into moral darkness, for God's light cannot shine through walls of division. God's displeasure rests upon all who uphold these divisions, no matter what they claim to believe or what names they use. The message of the Quran is not about belonging to a sect, it's about obedience and submission to God alone. As the Quran says, some hear and obey, and others who say, we hear, but still choose to disobey. Quran 42:13. The same religion has He established for you as that which He enjoined on Noah, which we have sent by inspiration to thee, Muhammad, and that which we enjoined on Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Namely, ye should remain steadfast in religion and make no divisions therein. To those who worship other things than God, hard is the way to which thou call them. God chooses to Himself those whom He pleases, and guides to Himself those who turn to Him. Quran 3:19. The religion before God is submission to His will, and the people of the book, those who had the book before you, did not dissent from it except through envy of each other after knowledge had come to them. But if any deny the signs of God, He is swift in calling them to account. Quran 23:53. The people have cut off their affair of unity between them into sects. Each party rejoices in that which is with itself, but leave them in their confused ignorance for a time. Quran 6:159. As for those who divide their religion and break up into sects, thou hast no part in them in the least. Their affair is with God. He will in the end tell them the truth of all that they did.